followed her to school one day. School one day, school one day. He followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. Wouldn't it be cool to have a lamb at your school? And so the teacher turned him out,